Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to give you an update on the JUTC buses going to Morant Bay. So recently, the JUTC started a daily bus service to St. Thomas. They have two buses that go there daily. And as a result of this, adjustments are to be made at the transport center in Morant Bay to accommodate JUTC buses. So with the opening of the Southern Coastal Highway that takes you from Kingston to Portland, we now have a highway between Harborview and Morant Bay. So as a result of this, the JUTC has started a bus service. I think they did the same thing with Mandeville, because they have a highway from Kingston to Mandeville now. So the JUTC is, I don't know if they've started that service, but they plan to. So now that the JUTC is going to Morant Bay, they have to have a proper transport center for the buses to go to, so you can load and unload the passengers. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. With the introduction of two new Jamaican Urban Transit Company routes in St. Thomas a week ago, the government is assessing appropriate facilities to ensure the safe and comfortable offerings of the service in the parish. Chief among them is the Church Street Transport Center in Morant Bay, which was one of the locations toured by Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Honorable Darrell Vaz. Speaking with journalists at the location, Mr. Vaz said that the facility, which is operated by the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation, is to be adjusted to accommodate the buses. We are looking at how we can do some adjustments to the layout of this site to allow for the buses to be able to come in here and turn, and also to mark and create signage for the other bus routes and taxi routes, the minister said. This location is ideal. It's spacious, it has infrastructure and everything. All it really requires is some planning in terms of some adjustments of the layout, he said. In Morant Bay, bus 702 begins loading on Wharf Street just outside the Colonel Cove and then makes a stop at Church Street outside of the transport center. While the Church Street facility is formal, Mr. Vaz noted that the Wharf Road stop is informal and does not have the facilities and poses a danger to safety and security. So that also is something that we are looking at. This is a collaboration among the Municipal Corporation, the JUTC, the Transport Authority, the Mayor and the Members of Parliament to work with the team to make sure that we come up with something that is doable and workable in the shortest possible time, the Minister said.